5 Home Remedies for Hemorrhoids. Rewarding hemorrhoids. Hemorrhoids, now and then called heaps, are swollen veins in your butt and rectum. Normal side effects can incorporate torment, tingling, and rectal dying. They can create inside or outside of the rear end and rectum, called inward and outer hemorrhoids. Individually, hemorrhoids are a very regular issue. An expected 75% of Americans experience them sooner or later. While they regularly disappear in half a month all alone, they can make mellow serious distress. 1. Witch hazel. Witch hazel can diminish both tingling and agony, 2 principal manifestations of hemorrhoids. It's a characteristic calming, so it could likewise diminish expanding. Witch hazel can be bought in fluid structure and applied straightforwardly to the hemorrhoids. It can likewise be found in items like enemy of tingle wipes and cleansers. 2. Aloe vera. Aloe vera gel has been utilized verifiably to treat hemorrhoids and different skin conditions. It's idea to have mitigating properties, which may help decrease bothering. In spite of the fact that there isn't sufficient clinical proof on the adequacy of aloe vera gel for hemorrhoids, the National Center for Complementary and Integrated Health. A few people are susceptible to aloe vera, especially the individuals who are sensitive to garlic or onions. Check for unfavorably susceptible response by scouring a dime-sized sum onto your lower arm. Hold up 24 to 48 hours. On the off chance that no response happens, it ought to be protected to utilize. 3. Steaming shower with Epsom salt. Steaming showers can help calm the disturbance from hemorrhoids. You can utilize a sitz shower, which is a little plastic tub that fits over a latrine seat, or scrub down in your tub. Concurring Harvard Health, scrubbing down for 20 minutes after each solid discharge will be best. Adding Epsom salts to the shower can give further help by diminishing agony. 4. Over-the-counter ointments. Over-the-counter ointments and creams, similar to Preparation H, can be found in pretty much every medication store and can offer prompt help. Some can even lessen growing and help your hemorrhoid to mend quicker. 5. Cold compresses. Apply ice packs or cold packs to the butt to mitigate expanding for 15 minutes one after another. For enormous, difficult hemorrhoids, this can be an amazingly viable treatment. Continuously wrap ice inside a fabric or paper towel, and never apply something solidified straightforwardly to the skin.